like what he said, I don't mind taking someone to jail right now.
Take me to jail.
On April 6, 2025, Broward County deputies were called to a parking dispute at a boat ramp in Hollywood, Florida. One man had planted himself in a parking spot, using his own body as the barricade. By the time deputies sorted out who hit who and who paid for what, this had stopped being about parking. He wanted deputies to enforce a rule that didn't exist. What he got instead was a lesson in the rule that does.
Thank you for coming, man.
Yeah.
We're sitting right there on the spot. They don't let anybody park.
All right. Yeah, I got it.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you guys can't be blocking the spots like that, all right? You gotta go. Because you're standing in the road, dude. You get out of the roadway. You need to calm down first off. First off, you can't be standing in the road and you can't be blocking parking spots.
He hit me with his car.
First off, you can't be standing in the road and blocking parking spots. That's why you probably got bumped, right? Because you're standing in the road, right?
Is that legal?
If you're standing in the road, yes. Come on, man.
It's legal to hit somebody with their car.
You're standing in the road, right?
Oh, so now it's legal.
Let me see the video.
She has it on video.
Are you hurt? Do you need rescue?
Excuse me.
Do you need rescue? Sir, do you need rescue?
I don't need to talk to you, sir.
Okay, goodbye.
We already
All right, this is for trailers.
Yes, we already paid.
You can't just block parking spaces, though.
But these people
That's
are
not how this
blocking
works, though.
us.
You can't just block parking spaces.
But we paid for it
The road was blocked, so we
The
wouldn't.
road is still blocked because of this right
Mama,
now.
they were blocking it, so how are we gonna park?
It's because they
We already paid.
You can't come over here and reserve spots.
We
That's not how it
already
works.
paid.
You can't come over here and reserve spots.
It's not
Where,
reserved.
You're standing in it.
We were here already.
where is the sign that
Where's
said
your car?
that
Your
we
car's not here.
can?
It's right there. The car is right there. We had to
trying
go
to
around
park.
since you couldn't resolve the road blocked here. That's not
Move
on
out
us.
of the
That's
way so
on
he
you.
can park
That's
his
not
trailer.
our problem.
Move out of
You
the
had
way.
to resolve the road
Move
block,
out of the
right?
way so he can park his trailer.
I don't have to move out of the way. Where's the sign?
Where is the sign that
Where's
said
the
that
sign?
we can?
You're just gonna block the roadway at this
Where's
point.
the sign?
Excuse me. Where is the sign that said?
Don't touch
Excuse
my
me.
mom. Don't
No,
touch
no,
my mom.
Alejandrito, por favor.
First off, don't
Excuse
touch
me.
my
Calm
Excuse
mom.
down a little bit.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Calm down a
Excuse
little
me.
bit.
Excuse me. Where is the
Calm
sign?
down a little bit.
Where is the sign that said that I can reserve?
Stop. Go over there. Just go over there.
Why is he parking? Why are you parking in our spot?
You can't reserve spots.
For which one?
There's no
Where
sign.
is the sign?
But they're
Where's
blocking
the sign that says that?
Where is the sign that
It's a
said
general
that
rule
we
parking
can
lot, but
reserve
there's no
the
sign.
spot?
You can't do that.
Where is the sign?
We're
It's
in the
first
parking
come,
space.
first serve.
Where is the sign that
We're
said
in the
that?
parking
There
space.
doesn't need to be a sign for
Where
that.
is the sign that said that?
Now you just want to stand here. and
I
be-
reserved the spot and I pay already.
Okay, that's a civil issue you can take up with the city.
Where is the sign that said that?
There doesn't need to be a sign.
Why?
Okay, wait.
Because there doesn't need to.
No.
It's parking.
Okay, the solution, since everybody wants this spot, and
guys
we were
wanna
trying to
use
get
other
here,
parking,
where
you
do
can
we
go to
park?
Holland
Because we
Park.
already paid. Where
You
do
can
we
go to
go?
Holland Park.
We already paid. Where do we
Listen
go?
what I'm saying so I can tell you. You can go to Holland Park. There's another
Okay,
boat ramp at
But we
Holland
gotta
Park.
drive out. Our boat is there in the water already. We were trying to get here, and these people blocked
Someone can
us.
drive the boat over to Holland Park when you guys
We're
gonna
not
ramp up.
gonna do that. Why? Because they want to park here. Because we
You guys,
paid and we
they
told
got
them.
here first.
No, they didn't. We did.
Obviously, he's here first.
The road was
No,
blocked. We couldn't park because it was
we
blocked.
couldn't get in because it was blocked.
But you can't come over into the parking lot and reserve spots.
There's no sign that says that.
What is the sign that said that?
You don't need a sign to say that.
Why?
It's called blocking the roadway.
No,
it's
it's
a
not.
ticket.
It's not a
Why?
roadway. It's a parking space.
So because this guy hit him, then nobody cares
Let
about
me see the
that,
video.
right? Nobody
You see the
cares.
video? Come
I
on.
was standing there. He hit me. He bumped me with his car, man.
Let me see the video.
I don't even know if it recorded. I was so damn nervous. He hit him. Look, it took the
So
floor.
you didn't take a video. So right now I only have he said, she said. That's all I have.
Well, there's two witnesses right
point
to
of-
me.
what's the
Three
point of
people saying the same thing.
No independent witnesses. You guys can't stand in parking spots.
Is there a sign that says that?
It's a common roadway rule.
Where's
You
the
can't stand on road.
where's the
You can't
road?
stand on the road, right?
And
But
we
the notice
were
needs
trying-
It's not a road. This is a parking
This
spot.
is a road where
No,
cars
it's,
go.
it's not a road. It's a parking spot.
You can agree to disagree with me. I
All
can still give
day.
you a ticket.
We
All day.
reserved the park
Where's the ticket for?
and pay
Exactly.
already.
So obstruction of the roadway.
Obstruction of the road. This is not a roadway. This is a parking spot.
Whatever
He
you want.
was trying to go around and they were blocking him. This is a waste of time.
Obviously.
Okay, so can they move so we can park? Because we've been
No,
here.
he got here first.
No,
No, he
they're
didn't.
not.
He's been here.
No, they're
That's why
not.
he's in the
The
parking
other
lot.
guy you were talking to was blocking everybody,
they're
and we were here
not.
before
He
him.
was waiting for someone to get out so he can get in here.
No, we were already here, and he was blocking everybody.
That's
So
not
we
how that
went
works,
around,
man.
and now this guy's not letting us park.
Wow, I don't understand that you guys are like really going with them instead of us. When we've been here, we paid. The guy almost like ran him over. He hit him with his truck. Where's the justice here? Where's the justice?
Listen, you can go park at Holland Park.
No, we're not going to. Why?
Well, you can't stand in the parking
Why?
spot. You can't park. You can't
We
just
already-
stand
Why
here.
can't we park here?
Because he's trying to park here,
Okay,
and you
well
can't
then
just
they
stand
need
here.
to move out of the way because they were blocking us.
Right now, you're
That's
blocking the
why
whole
we
roadway
couldn't
here
park
because
here.
you're causing this whole disturbance.
No,
because
no.
you're standing in a parking space.
You could fix the problem really quick. Just tell
Yeah,
them to go
I could. I could
around
take all
and
three of you
that's
to
it.
jail. That's how I could fix the
To
problem.
jail for what?
For obstructing of the roadway, causing disturbing the peace, obstruction. Why do you want me to go on?
Come on. Your
This is a
dad
nice
has to
Sunday,
go in
guys.
the
Come on.
water
We could go over to
already.
Holland Park. You can park over Holland
It is
Park.
a
There's
nice
plenty of
Sunday.
spaces.
It is
There's
a nice
plenty
Sunday,
of
and
parking
we'd like
places
to
at Holland
park,
Park.
but everybody
no, we
else
have to
is
do this right
blocking
now.
us. I don't know what is the problem.
I don't know
Why can't you
either.
just have them move and we park our? It was
There's
there.
a line
It's
of
in
cars
the
here
water.
because of this.
We were in a line too.
Where's your car?
He's trying to get in.
So he's not
They
here.
blocked him.
But he's not here.
He is.
Where is
But
he?
you
Where
need
is
How's
to-
he supposed to park if they were
Where
blocking
is
the
he?
roadway?
This guy?
No, he's
So you have two other cars
There is
here.
a car block.
to be able to park here.
No, there
In the
isn't.
spot that we already
There's no
paid
cars
for.
blocking. He's trying to park. He's trying to park.
And we
There's
already
multiple
parked.
cars in here.
Already
There
here.
was a
And your guy
car
isn't here.
there.
We were already here.
You don't need to be here. The car needs to be here.
The car was here and we paid for it already.
Well, the car's not here anymore, so you're not occupying the spot, right?
It's still paid for.
That's not how that works. You left.
Still paid for and we're
it's
still
gone.
here.
That's not how that works.
Car or not, we are still
That's
here.
not how that works.
There's no
But
sign
where
that
is-
says you can't reserve
What
it.
is that
No,
the
that's
sign?
not how that
Where
works,
is the
man.
sign
Come
that said that I can reserve
All right,
on a spot?
we're gonna, like what he said. I don't mind taking someone to jail right now. So it's either you guys are gonna move, or you're gonna go.
Take me to jail.
All right.
No, please, no. Ve, hey, please.
Hey, record this, record
Please, it's a nice Sunday,
It
please.
is a nice Sunday, right?
Back up.
Please,
Back up.
please.
Por un foco y un parqueo, brother.
Aquí, por favor.
Where are you guys?
You're gonna make it more difficult than him.
Y'all having fun with this, right?
Nope, not at all, actually.
So, because I said take me to jail, you're gonna take me? That's the key word?
Mira, Alejandro, ponte la
Back up.
chancleta.
Back up.
La chancleta. Por el parqueo.
Back up. We've been over this. I gave you guys multiple chances.
¿Pero
but
qué
no.
hizo?
But
What
okay,
did
so
he
back
do?
up.
What did he do?
Okay, so back
What did he do?
Back up.
Mira,
Back up.
Nosotros, mira, estamos hablando perfectamente. Yo tengo mi
Back
mano
up.
acá.
Back up.
Yo estoy hablando perfectamente bien. Yo no te estoy hablando mal.
That
Back up.
person, so that's what he's gonna get.
Pero él no hizo nada.
¿Pero
Like
qué
a
hizo?
beautiful
Pero además no
¿Pero
existe.
qué hizo?
Mira, no
We're
existe
trying to tell
ninguna
him to
ley que
leave.
diga que
There's a
yo.
truck in the roadway. You see all these trucks
Pero es
here?
que no existe ninguna ley que diga que yo
You guys
aguante mi
weren't even here.
parqueo.
You guys weren't even here.
But it wasn't even.
These
it
two were here the whole time, okay?
It wasn't.
So I don't need to speak to any of you guys, right?
No, please. Back up. Back up. No, no.
Lachi ya, porque
Now
yo no
you're
quiero
wrong,
enseñar a
right?
alguien más.
Pero es que no se puso
You guys need
violento.
anything else from us? Because he's gonna take the ride.
¿Dónde va él?
He's gonna go to Broward County Courthouse,
Where?
the Broward County Jail.
Why? Well, yeah.
You guys can read the FPC.
I see
and
that
Why you
you
do
are
that?
doing extremista.
I mean, I'm asking for justice and you take it and do it back.
I told you guys the issue. I told you how to resolve it, but you don't want to listen. You don't want to listen.
En realidad, que fue tan grave como para que se lo lleven. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm really not.
They're gonna put them on the back and they're gonna lift you up.
Put him in the front again, there's gonna be another problem. Five, if the chairs are tempting you to
Charlie 57.
Let's go.
Yeah, I already did that. 84 units, everything set for them.
I couldn't breathe. Man. I was trying to get their attention.
Units are raised, okay, copy. Yeah, Air 10 units go down response 1446.
He never asked for a way out. He asked to go to jail on camera more than once. In Florida, refusing a lawful order and blocking a public roadway is enough for an arrest on its own. Add open defiance in front of a badge and "take me to jail" stops sounding like a threat. It starts sounding like an instruction. What he didn't plan for was everything that came after the handcuffs closed. He was taken into custody, then got loose, long enough that deputies had to do the job twice. He was ultimately recaptured and charged with resisting arrest, both with and without violence, disturbing the peace, and disorderly conduct. In Florida, resisting an officer without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor, up to a year in jail. Add violence to that struggle, and it becomes a felony, up to 5 years in prison. Disorderly conduct adds even more exposure. None of it existed before he decided a parking spot was worth fighting for. Time for the grades. The subject gets an F. He escalated a parking spot into a standing invitation for handcuffs, then tried to take it back the second they closed. Running afterward didn't undo the arrest. It just added charges to it. The deputies get a B+. They gave repeated warnings and multiple chances to simply move, patience most departments never get credit for. The one mark against them: letting the standoff run long enough for him to slip away before those cuffs held. The lesson here is simple. A parking spot is a civil matter. Refusing a lawful order over one is a criminal one. If you want more body cam footage, the moments people never expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. What sentence do you think he deserves? We'll see you in the next one.